Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall segment connections from no-code apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling segment connections from no-code apps, first, log in to your segment account. Navigate to the Connections tab in the sidebar. Here, you will see a list of all the connections currently in use. Identify the connection you want to uninstall. Click on the name of the connection to open its settings. In the Connection Settings, locate the Settings or Actions button. Click on this button to reveal more options. Select the Remove Connection or Delete option from the available choices. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure you want to proceed. Review the information and confirm your choice to uninstall the connection. After confirmation, the connection will be removed from your segment account. Next, go to the no-code app where the segment connection was integrated. Access the App's Settings or Integrations tab. Find the integration with segment in this section. Select the option to remove or disconnect the segment integration. Confirm your action if prompted by the app. Once the integration is disconnected, check for any residual settings. If necessary, navigate to any relevant data settings in your app. Remove any remaining data points related to the uninstalled connection. Finally, ensure that your no-code app is functioning as expected without the segment connection. Conduct a test to verify that data flows correctly to any remaining integrations. With these steps completed, you have successfully uninstalled segment connections from your no-code apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.